Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Econopolis is opening its hat market to free trade, and we need to find the total spending on imports. Let's solve this fast right now. First, look at the graph to find the domestic supply and demand at the world price of $7. At this price, domestic producers only supply 2 units of hats locally. Next, we check the demand curve at that same $7 price point. Consumers actually want to buy 6 units, which creates a shortage that must be filled by foreign imports. Subtract the 2 units supplied from the 6 units demanded to get 4 imported hats. Multiply 4 by $7 to get $28 total. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given graph to find the correct quantity.